Hi dear. Welcome here. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to crochet an easy DIY wristband step by step. This simple crochet wristband is a great beginner crochet project because it uses basic crochet stitches and only requires a small amount of yarn. You can make it for yourself, give it as a handmade gift, or customize it with your favorite yarn colors. So, if you're looking for an easy crochet bracelet for beginners, grab your crochet hook and yarn and let's get started. I'm using a medium weight yarn in 3 colors for this tutorial, and a 3.5mm crochet hook. Before we start crocheting, take measurement of your wrist. First, make a slip knot. Insert the hook. And crochet chain stitch for our foundation chain. Yarn over, and pull through the loop. I made total 31 chain stitches. Now, make a slip stitch at the first chain. Insert the hook into the first chain. Yarn over, and pull through the stitch. Again, pull through the loop on the hook. Pull the yarn gently to make tight. Foundation chain is complete. Now for round 1. First make 3 chains. Next, we will make double crochet across the round in each stitch. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over, and pull through the stitch. Again yarn over, and pull through first 2 loops. Again yarn over, and pull through last 2 loops. Now make double crochet around in each stitch. Make a slip stitch at the beginning 3rd chain. Round 1 completed. For round 2, grab your white yarn and make a slip knot. Open the stitch gently. Now, insert the hook and complete the slip stitch at the 3rd chain with a white yarn. Adjust the yarn tension gently. Now make 3 chains. And make double crochet around, like the round 1. Cut the green yarn of previous round. Tie yarns to make stitches secure. Continue double crochet across round 2. At last, slip stitch at the third beginning chain. Round 2 completed. Pull the yarn gently. Now for round 3, grab your orange yarn. Make a slip knot, and repeat this round 3 like the previous round 2. Open the stitch. And complete the slip stitch with the orange yarn. Pull yarn gently to maintain good tension. Now make 3 chains. And make double crochet across the round 3. Cut white yarn and tie to secure stitches. Make a slip stitch at the third beginning chain. Gently pull the yarn. Insert the hook from back and pull up the loop. Pull the loop to make the stitch gentle tight. Cut the yarn. Pull the yarn and make gentle tight to secure stitches. Round 3 completed, so that out crochet wristband is also completed. Now make the wristband inside out. Weave in all extra yarns to get the final look. This is the final look of our DIY crochet wristband. Wear it by yourself. Or, it would also make a lovely handmade gift for friends, family members, or anyone who loves crochet. If you enjoyed this easy crochet wristband tutorial for beginners, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to crochet, make sure to subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials, beginner crochet projects, and step-by-step crochet patterns. Also, share your result with us. And I'll see you in the next crochet tutorial. Happy crocheting!